Chapter 17 Domestic Animals. Hello friends. Today, we are going to learn about domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals that live near us or on farms. They are useful to us in many ways. This is a hen. Hens give us eggs. This is a cow. Cows give us milk. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool. This is a duck. Ducks can give us eggs and also swim in water. This is a goat. Goats give us milk and meat. This is a buffalo. Buffaloes also give us milk. This is a camel. Camels are called the ship of the desert. They can carry heavy loads. This is a horse. Horses are strong and fast. People ride them and use them to carry goods. This is a donkey. Donkeys carry heavy loads for us. Domestic animals help us in many ways. We must take care of them and treat them with kindness. Which domestic animal do you like the most?